Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix GameHub controller not working on PC. Alright, let's fix this step by step. First, open the GameHub emulator and go to the game where your controller is not working. Now click on that game and open PC settings. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find the preset option. Set the preset to extreme. Now look for the option called Max FPS or Max 87 or similar setting. If this option is turned on, go ahead and turn it off. After that, make sure to click on Save. That's it. Now relaunch the game and check your controller. Before this fix, the controller usually doesn't respond at all, but after applying these settings, your controller should start working perfectly. This works for most games on GameHub because certain performance presets and limits can block controller input. So if your controller is not working, this is one of the fastest fixes you can try. And if you're also facing crashes or lag, check out my other videos on the channel. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie.